All right, so it's summer's coming over and I want to work out. This is a perfect way to do it. This is an indoor or outdoor hanging for your punching bag, right? Pretty much you can hang anything on this one. This is reinforced metal, all right? They give you the bolts, everything that's included, including the actual washers, all right? So we're going to set this up. I actually like this because it has an extension where you could extend the actual bag even further out. So we are going to put this on the actual outside where I'm going to be training once in a while if I can, because I'm getting a little chubby. I'm attracting the wrong people to my show, the chubby chasers. So we want to start working out and looking good. So, and this is one way we're going to do it, just by doing things like this. So let's put it together and see how it looks. We're gonna hang the bag now, and this is the most critical part because you got to extend it as away from the actual wall or the actual pole that you're going to be using in. All right, so I pre-installed the actual screw and the hanging tool. Now you gotta have to find the actual right place that you want to put it in there. Want to keep it a little bit away from the actual wall. This is a perfect angle right here. I like that they have these things to lock it in place. So we're going to start from that side. It's much easier if I start from that side. Now this part right here, we are going to hang our bag. And this one right here, I recommend you when you're setting up your bag, don't fill it up, have it empty. All you got to do is twist it in there too. It locks it in place. This thing rotates any angle you want. Now extend it as much as you want. You don't want it to hit the wall or hit anything that you're hitting. So I'm going to set this up. We're going to fill it up right now.